Hello all. In this video we are going to see how to run the Alchemar code. Here first of all you need to open Jupyter Notebook, and after installing the Jupyter Notebook and Anaconda Navigator you open the project code. Here we are having a code of full Alchemar, and then here we are having a data set. So if you open the data set in here in this code, you will have a detailed view of your data set. Okay, so that is who are attacked by Alchemar and who are not attacked by Alchemar disease. Okay, so we are going to use this data set only, and we are going to check. So if you need means, here we have a detailed report of each and every attributes in your data set, and here we have a code. So using Jupyter Notebook I am opening the code. Here I am importing some basic packages, and then I am reading the CSV file, and here we have just information about each and every attributes if you are for your clarification. Then here we are applying the shape, and then columns, describe for statistical view, and then information. If you are having any object type, you need to convert into an machine understandable, that is zeros and ones or integer type. Here we are taking the particular visit. Visit is not an important one, right? So now what we are doing means I am taking every visit as a 1, and then after this we are going to reset the index. Then we are checking the head. Then using label encoder we are converting this group into a zeros and ones. And after this, not only this group, we are going to convert male and female as a zeros and 1, and then we are going to convert hand. Okay, so after converting by applying the label encoder, we are just checking the output whether it changed or not. Yeah, it's everything changed, but we are having some null values right here, so we need to drop the null values. So first of all I am selecting I am dropping some unwanted columns. After dropping some unwanted columns, we are dropping the null values. Okay, after dropping the null values, we are going to see how the group is there. So by applying this count plot, we are checking group, and then here we are creating one bar chart graph. So whenever I need, I can call this graph by passing some parameters. And here we are having a fat grid, and then these are all graphs how our data is distributed in my data set. So just checking the distribution of each and every data set. It should be in the form of like left corner will be an 50%, center will be left corner will be a 25%, center will be a 50%, and then last part will be a 75%. After that we are going to see we are going to take x and y, that is independent and dependent. Then after this we are applying the train and test split function, dividing our data set into train and test. Then we are using some SVM classifiers, and we are checking the output result 53% accuracy score, and then classification report we are getting this. For random forest classifier we are getting output result. For dysentery we are getting a report like this, and for neural network we are getting an accuracy score is 39. It's not a good one, but previously we used some other algorithm. It's nicely predicted an output result. Okay, so thank you.